My name is Tyler Shearer. I work at Parker Lord in Erie, Pennsylvania, and I'm a tooling engineer. I came up through high school in machining. I went through a tech school to get a machining certification. I started out of high school in manufacturing. I was a toolmaker for an injection molding facility. I went through a couple different internships through school. In high school, I took this drafting class and I loved it. It was with SolidWorks. And they give us little projects. We built trebuchets, we built boats, we did CO2 cars, and I loved the competition aspect of it. My design's better, my work is better than yours. It was really cool. The next summer I worked at Accutech, and at Accutech I saw all of these Parker Lord parts. And I thought they were really cool. I decided to look up Lord and see what they did, and I saw that they do a ton of work in the defense industry, helicopters, planes. They have an entire industrial sector dedicated to tractors and heavy equipment, and I just thought it was really cool. Then going through a vibrations class my senior year of college, I really liked vibrations. I discovered that one of Lord's biggest specialties in Erie is vibration control. So I was really excited about that. That was really cool. I eventually got the opportunity to start on the rotary wing team full-time, and I've really loved it. Companies want to see experience, and the hardest thing that I faced with getting started was finding somewhere to work and learn. So if you are struggling with working at different companies or trying to get your foot in the door somewhere to get the opportunity to be taught, this is an excellent program for that. I'd personally shout out Dr. Mark Rubio at Penn State Barron. He is an incredible professor, and he is so focused on giving you what you need to succeed. He was just somebody who, your success is really dependent on the people you know and your reputation. I think my journey's been one of many different twists and turns, and I've had experiences from running a machine to programming and automation and eventually design, but I wouldn't have taken a different path.